All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. I love these type of recipes. They're very easy. I call it the get her done recipe because it's quick and it's simple. So back here we have our wings. We got some brown sugar here, kosher salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper, and we have some olive oil there. That's all you need. Let's jump into it. So to get started, all we're gonna do is combine our dry ingredients. We're gonna start with our kosher salt, our brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, chili powder, cayenne pepper. If you don't like cayenne pepper, you can definitely leave that out, and some smoked paprika. And all we're gonna do is give that baby a mix like that. All right, guys, just that simple. So all we're gonna do next is season our chicken. We're gonna start with our olive oil. All right, guys, so as you see, I already added our dry rub. I haven't mixed it yet, but before you add it, make sure you reserve about a tablespoon so you can sprinkle it at the end or toss your wings in it. So we're gonna go ahead and get these babies mixed up. We wanna get them fully coated. All right, that's what we have. Now, we're gonna sit this aside. We're gonna head over to our air fryer and get it preheated to 400 degrees. Also, you can cook these in the oven, and if you decide to, toss the wings in a tablespoon of flour and also a tablespoon of baking powder. All right, so we're gonna sit this aside, move over to our air fryer, get it preheated, and we're gonna continue. All right, so now we're at our air fryer. We're gonna turn this baby on. We're gonna set it for 20 minutes. Let's do 22 minutes. I like mine to be crispy. And we're gonna get it started. And it's gonna preheat. Once it's finished preheating, it's gonna say get food. That's when we're gonna add our chicken wings. All right, so we're gonna, as you've seen, this said add food, so it's time to add our chicken wings. I'm gonna spray this with a little cooking spray. Now we're gonna start adding our wings here. And as I mentioned many times, I love this air fryer because of the space inside, man. You can fit so much food in here that this is one of my favorite air fryers. And I got a link to this air fryer in the video description below, guys, if you want to check it out. You want to get you a good air fryer. It has a lot of different functions on it too, like broil, bake, dehydrate, of course, air fry, and something else I can't even remember. I think it has like six or so features. Oh, and roast, it has roast too. All right, guys, we're gonna close our hood and we're gonna let this cook for the first 15 minutes. Once that 15 minutes is up, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do after that. All right, guys, so it's been about 15 minutes. We're going to pause our heat. We're gonna lift our hood, take a look at what we have right there, show you what we're gonna do next. We're gonna remove our chicken wings real quick. I'm gonna add them here to a bowl. And no, we're not done yet. Just gonna sit that right there real quick. We're gonna take a tablespoon of our dry rub mixture. We're gonna add it here to our chicken pieces. And we're gonna get this tossed around in that mixture. Toss them around like this. And I'm gonna add them right back here. Just like that, guys. It's almost like a double seasoning. All right, we're gonna close it and we're gonna let that baby continue for the next 7 minutes until you get them to your desired crispiness. I like mine crispy, so I'm gonna let it stay for 7 minutes. I'll take a look. If I need to get them more crispy, I'll add more time. All right, guys, so it says get food. Let's lift our veil, see where we are. Now this not crispy enough for your boy. So your boy gonna let this rock out. Probably for another maybe 5 to 7 minutes. It's not crispy enough for me. I got like mine crispy, man. So let's get this air fryer back on. Just gonna put it on 9 and we'll check it. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get our food as it's stated. Now that's what I'm talking about right there. This is what I'm talking about right here. Crispy. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get these babies plated up and into quality control. That's it. That's all we got. Let's get to it. And there you have it. Easy dry rub chicken wings. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. Let's head over to quality control so we can test them out. All right, guys, you already know this is the favorite part of the show when we bring our food to the front of the congregation. Yes, quality control, man. Look at these babies here, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab me one. Excelente. Yes, sir. I love me a good dry rub wing recipe. Sometimes you don't even need all that sauce. But y'all already know. We know what we're doing over here on these wings. Hell, we know what we're doing in general. But definitely on these wings. Definitely one for you guys to try. So, until then, you already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.